Truck overheating? Stop the engine right now. Driving like this can destroy your engine in minutes.
Turn off the engine immediately and let it cool down. Never open anything while it's hot. After cooling, open the hood carefully and inspect the engine area step by step.
Check the coolant level from the reservoir. Low coolant is the most common cause of overheating. See? The level is below the minimum mark. Always let the engine cool before opening the cap. Add the correct coolant slowly into the proper tank. Never open a hot radiator.
Check radiator hoses for cracks or leaks. Damaged hoses reduce coolant flow.
Leaks are dangerous because they slowly drain coolant without warning.
Check the radiator fan. If it doesn't spin properly, heat cannot escape. Start the engine briefly and see if the fan turns. No movement means a cooling issue.
A blocked radiator cannot release heat properly. Clean it if needed.
Remove dirt and debris carefully to restore proper airflow. A damaged cap can reduce pressure and cause overheating.
A loose or damaged belt can stop the water pump from circulating coolant. Check the temperature sensor. Wrong readings can mislead you.
Fix the belt if needed to restore proper coolant flow.
Now prepare to test the system again safely.
Start the engine and watch the temperature closely. Temperature's normalizing. Good. If temperature stays normal, your problem is fixed.
You just saved your engine from serious damage.
Follow for more real transport fixes that actually work. Transport Fix Pro brings you real solutions every time.